Ever fancied a Southern-style coleslaw with a twist? Today, uncover the magic of this classic dish with a unique spin. The secret: apples and pecans. To start, gather 4 cups of shredded green cabbage, 2 cups of shredded red cabbage, a large shredded carrot, a medium apple, half a cup of toasted pecans, and a 1/4 cup of thinly sliced green onions. The apple variety can be Granny Smith or Fuji, something that offers a good balance of sweetness and tartness. Now, in a large mixing bowl, combine these ingredients. The contrast of colors from the green and red cabbage, carrot, and apple is not only pleasing to the eye, but also packs a punch of nutrition. Next, it's time to prepare the dressing. In a smaller bowl, whisk together half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of honey. This combination creates a creamy, tangy, and slightly sweet dressing that perfectly complements the crunchy slaw. Add salt, pepper, and a pinch of celery seed to taste. Pour this exquisite dressing over the coleslaw mixture and toss until everything is evenly coated. We're not done yet. Cover and refrigerate the coleslaw for at least 30 minutes. This time allows the flavors to meld together and the cabbage to soften slightly. Before serving, give the coleslaw a good stir and adjust the seasoning if necessary. This coleslaw is a perfect accompaniment to grilled meats, sandwiches, or even as a refreshing side dish on a hot summer day. Remember to toast the pecans in a dry skillet over medium heat until they're fragrant. This simple step enhances their flavor and adds a delightful crunch to the coleslaw. This Southern-style coleslaw with apple and pecans is more than just a side dish. It's a celebration of flavors and textures, a symphony of crunch and creaminess, sweetness and tang. It's a classic with a twist, a testament to the beauty of culinary creativity. Enjoy this delightful twist on classic Southern coleslaw, where the crispness of the apples and the nutty flavor of the pecans bring a unique texture and taste to this beloved side dish. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delightful recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!